Alright, if you saw the sneak peek video on Sunday, you saw that we walked around this 1972 Chevy Monte Carlo, priced at $17,900. But today we're taking a sneak peek at the test drive video. We're going to be looking at the highlights, including the engine exhaust sound, the acceleration. We're going to be taking a deeper dive into the interior and some of the features. If you want to see the full test drive video, I'll put a link to it in the comments below. So first things first, let's take a listen to the startup and the exhaust sound. Producing that sound under the hood, you're going to find a matching numbers 350 connected to an automatic transmission. This Monte Carlo's got power steering, power disc brakes, it's got a USB radio, dual exhaust, and chrome 15-inch rally wheels. Now we've heard the exhaust at an idle. Let's see what it sounds like cruising down the street. Sounds good at cruising speed. Now let's take a look at the acceleration. Alright, again, a 1972 Chevy Monte Carlo priced at $17,900. For more information and to verify availability, check out maplemotors.com. Again, I'll put a link to the full test drive video in the comments below. Thanks for watching. There's more coming, so be sure to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.